Well, well, eh, well. Welcome back, everybody, to a new video. This week, it's gonna be a motovlog. There was not a lot of riding this week because it's just been very, very, very shitty weather. The riding was to a bare minimum, so I thought I might as well do it like this and give everybody a little riding while I'm doing this weekly vlog. Let me just start by saying Happy Easter, everybody, and just jump right into it. I started off the week with the little son that was there to go with this little mamacita to Tilburg. There's a motorcycle clothing store there called Louis.nl or Louis. Anyways, I think it's a German clothing store, motorcycle clothing store, and they have now one or now maybe two stores in the Netherlands. So I thought, you know what, let me just check it out. In there, it looked very nice. It was a lot of traffic to get there. It took me 1.5 or 2 hours to get there, even on the bike. So I only had 1 hour left to go actually shopping in there. Um, they had a little less of motocross things than I would like, but I cannot expect a business to have a lot of it because not a lot of people do it. But it was a decent amount of variety. I wish they would have more high end and uh, different clothing brands because they had like the almost the cheaper ones in there, which is kind of understandable, I guess, because you're not gonna put top of the line mega expensive stuff in your store that almost no one's gonna buy anyway. But it would be nice to try like a Climb Badlands or anything like it. They only had one a motocross boot, which was too bad because I really want to try more of them on and see how they fit and how they would, um, yeah, how they would work on me. All in all, it was a pretty good experience. They even had a what's it called, a little wind tunnel to test your helmet. I didn't actually do it because it was almost closing time. But in the end, this little girl got me two shirts that I might or might not show you. And yeah, afterwards she found a little Polish restaurant we went to. I think it's something like Madame Polka Dot or Mama Polka or something like that, which had really, really nice food. I think I got something like pierogi, it's called, but I'm not sure. I'll put it up on screen. And she got something I will also put on screen. It was really nice. It was nice food. It filled really quickly. And on the way back, I even got a little concert from my girlfriend that I didn't hear because I was focused too much. Then the next day, we went to center of Rotterdam to get some clothes for me and a sweater for her. And we came across this store. It I didn't know it was there, and it was a very pleasant surprise that it was. They had all kinds of nerdy stuff, anime and fantasy. Basically, I love fantasy, and I, it was just great to be there. I'm a big fan of Lord of the Rings, and again, she got me a tankard of the King of Gondor. This channel is just me getting gifts from my girlfriend, which I don't mind at all. They even at the register had a game. You could have there's some balls in the jar, and you open the surprise eggs or whatever you call them, and you can get a 4, 6, or 10 euro discount. And me being lucky as I am, it was I got a 10 euro discount. So next up was rain, just rain. It's been raining the last half of the week. So as I went to HQ with all the rain going on, I thought I might as well make everybody happy and get everyone some wieners, some hot dogs from IKEA. It's wiener time. And at the end of the week, it is now us two going to the beach because it's a gap in the rain, and we're gonna have some Easter picnic on the beach, hopefully. She found some Lithuanians on Facebook. I will link it here because it's very nice what they are doing. They are making Lithuanian foods. She is from Lithuania. Not a lot of people here do it, and they even bring it to you, all warm, perfect, and it's really really good. I'll do some B-roll here. The packaging is nice, and they have nice little stickers that they put on. All in all, it's just great experience so far. You guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.